In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your document titles using Google Docs. This simple yet effective method will ensure your documents look professional and well organized in just a few steps. First, we'll begin by heading over to your Google Docs document. Once you have your document open, your initial action is to navigate towards the top menu bar. You'll find an option labeled Format in this menu. Clicking on Format will unveil a drop-down menu that holds various styling options that can enhance your document's structure. This drop-down is an essential feature where you can modify your text appearance extensively. Now that the Format menu is open, your next move is to locate and click on Title. This step is significant as it allows you to apply a predefined style to your text, which helps in maintaining consistency throughout your document. Applying a title style not only makes your document visually appealing, but also aids in organizing your content effectively. With the option clicked, you will now apply the title style to your designated text. This simple yet impactful step can transform a basic line of text into a prominent, visually distinctive title. The title style comes with a specific font size and style tailored for headings, making it ideal for emphasizing your document's core themes at a glance. Remember to ensure that your text selection is where you want to apply this title style so the focus is correctly placed. Next, commence by typing out your document's title. Enter your text in the location where you want your title to be. Be mindful that the clarity and conciseness of your document title are essential as it sets the reader's initial expectations. Once you have entered your title, it's time to align it using the Align and Indent options available in the Format menu. These options will adjust your title's position, giving it a clean and streamlined look. After you enter your title and open the alignment options, move on to the step of selecting Middle Align. This alignment method centers your title, providing a balanced and aesthetically pleasing presentation. Placing your text in the center draws the reader's eye, adding a polished look to your document. This feature is especially beneficial for titles, giving them prominence and symmetry within the page. And just like that, you're done. With these quick steps, your document now boasts a clear, centered title, making it organized and professional. Remember, the key to an impressive document is not only in the content but in its presentation. Take a moment to review your document and appreciate the difference a well-structured title can make. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you craft beautifully styled documents with ease.